So as a beginner, first of all, you need to learn the indicative present tense for French language, right guys? So in this video, we are going to learn what is present indicative tense, présent dans l'indicatif. So let me take you through definition. The present indicative tense in French, it is known as le présent dans l'indicatif, is used to describe action or state that are happening at the current moment or general truth. It can also express habitual actions, near future actions, or repeated occurrence. So pay attention. It can also express habitual actions, near future actions, or repeated occurrence. Now, let me take you through uses. So the first use is here current action. Action happening right now. So the first example here, je mange une pomme. English, it's I am eating an apple, right? So this action is happening at the very moment. Second is general truth or facts. So it's statements that are always true. Le soleil se lève à l'est. The sun rises in the sky. So this is universal fact. Then habitual action. So things that happens regularly, right? Example, je vais à l'école tous les jours. So I go to school every day. Now the last one here and not the least, near future. Action that are coming to happen. Il part demain. It means he is leaving tomorrow. So guys, this is how French indicative tense is used, right? Whether it's for you are learning French through any book or you yourself enrolled for DELF or in Lingua, whatever examination, doesn't matters. As a beginner, you need to learn this tense, and there are so many tense in French. We will discuss one by one everything. So first of all, we will look at the conjugation rules of the three verbs group. I have already told you what is conjugation and what is regular, what is irregular verbs in French language. So guys, in French language, the verbs are separated in three groups. So the first group is known as if any verb ER group. If any verb is ending with ER, that is a first group of verb. Second, IR group. If any verb is ending with IR, that is second group of verb, right? For example, you can see here finir. Finir means to finish. Now third group of verb ends with RE. If any verb is ending with RE, that is called third group of verb like vendre. Now let me explain you all three verbs and its conjugation. So guys, first of all, you need to know if any verb, if we are doing a conjugation in the sense we are trying to agree the ending of the person. It's mean like here je, tu, the ending of the person, unlike English, right? So at that time we have several rules, several endings. So the first group of verbs ends with er, right? So let me take you through some rough work, and like this it will become very easy for you. So as you can see on my screen, if any verb is ending with er, for example, the first verb which we are taking here, it is parler. Parler means to speak. So first of all, if you are doing conjugation in present tense or in any tense, you will see the ending of the verb. So you are saying this is er group of verb, right? It means this is the first group of verb. Now what is the rule? What is the general rule for the conjugation? So always remember, first of all, you will cut this verb, you will take only the remaining part, like parle. Like parle, you will only take. After taking this, guys, with je, you will add e, right? For example, let me show you here. With you will add es. With il, you will add e. With nous, you will add ons. With vous, you will add ez. And il, you will add ent. Now let me show how it will become. So for example, you cut this verb, you found this part, parle, and now you will paste with all the part here. Everywhere you will paste parle, parle, parle. You just need to pay all the things, right? And then at the end, you can see the ending here. This is the ending. I am going to zoom out and will highlight it into green as well. So this is the ending here, right? So let me highlight it so that it could become easier for you. Then again, and here with new form, and you need to pronounce after me. Always remember, you need to pronounce after me. So let me finish this conjugation part and then I'm really explaining with you. So these are the conjugation endings. So the first you will say je parle, which means I speak, I do speak, or I am speaking. I speak, I do speak, or I am speaking. Right? I do speak. So you need to remember all these things, right, guys? Because I have already explained you the definition of indicative present tense, in which sense we use. If you will come back, you can see here in which sense we use current action. I am eating apple, I am speaking, right? Habitual action, near future action, he is leaving tomorrow, and general truth like this. So this is how we do. You can repeat after me. Je parle, tu parles, on parle, nous parlons, vous parlez, elle parle. Right? Always remember, most of the time people are making mistake in the pronunciation of vous and first three person. So ez, vous form will give a sound at the end, like parler in most probable cases, right? Not every time, there are exceptions, and you must know that while learning any language or anything, any skill, we general rule everyone learns, but the one who is learning, paying attention towards exceptions, he is the good learner. So the first group of verbs are like this. Now we will go for, you can see here the same thing happened here. Now let me take you through some exceptions because this is a beginner video. So after finishing all the tense, I will start uploading the expert advanced level videos for tense. So now verb like manger and nager, to eat, to swim, add extra e before ons in the new form to maintain pronunciation. So let me show you the pronunciation of manger. If any verb is ending with ger, actually it's a er group of verb, but before, if you will see, and if any verb is ending with ger, at that time you need to understand that new form will take something different, right? In new form, before the conjugation you will add extra e, SEO right? Account. So open image in a new tab. Now this video will long for almost 20 minutes, but believe me, if you are watching it properly, you will never come back again to watch any videos anywhere. Fine. So let me zoom it. So you can see here, je mange, tu manges, il mange. Ending is same, but here mange you extra e is added. Vous mangez, elle mange. Fine. I hope you will understand. In the same way, you need to do the conjugation of nager verb yourself. It's here nager, which means to swim. Again, verbs like commencer, to begin, changes C to sedil C before O in the new form. So if any verb is ending with ER, but you see before ER there is C. So in that case, with new form, C will become sedil C, where C will be pronounced as S. So let me show you the commencer conjugation as well to clear your concept in the best possible way. Now, you see here. So again, you can see here, je commence, tu commences, elle commence, nous commençons. You can see here with all C remain same, but here C said il. Nous commençons, vous commencez, elle commence. So this is the first group of verb. Now we are going for second group of verb. IR verbs. Fine, guys. So guys, I think it's much better for me and for you as well that I'll be explaining this in another video, because keeping everything together will lead to mess. So thank you so much for watching this video. In next video I will be explaining IR group of verb to clear your concept, so that it could become very easy for you to understand the way of speaking. And even if you are learning through the book, it will become very easier. You will understand these things, in which sense the sentences are being used. So guys, this is my website, Multilingual Banega India. You can come here anytime. You can see so many tags. For example, if you will go to learn French, there are pages for, you can see here, French grammar, junior delf note, delf dalf essay. If you want to join any French meet, you can come here as well, right? Everything you will get here properly. Now there is one special option, language meet online. If you want to participate in language meet, want to meet people around the world and want to discuss, want to improve French with them, you can join these platform. So thank you so much. Take care of your parents. See you in the next video.